Italo and I have been working together for about 3 or 4 years now, and we've always worked to help companies grow. He's a serial entrepreneur. I've always loved small businesses and been very passionate about that. So now we found a way to help companies grow and really get these systems down so that they can have their own marketing agency kind of experience without hiring their own marketing team.
We do digital transformation for companies, install their software to kind of build the engine for their business and take them to market with new products. So we kind of come in and evaluate what they're doing and give them the right tools to use to be able to scale their efforts and duplicate themselves.
It's always about assessing what the company needs. We want to talk to them and see what they think their target audience is, what kind of information they already know. And then we want to figure out what kind of services we can provide there and what kind of marketing team they would need.
We use Zoho Projects as kind of the lifeblood of our business day to day. We use it as an agency to manage our team, our hours, and our client work and client commitments. So Zoho is the only tool we found that could have a task that you could pass the ball between our team members, multiple team members, and also client team members in an efficient way.
We used some other project management softwares, and they just really didn't work for the needs that we had.
Before Zoho Projects, we used a different project management tool, and we weren't able to pass tasks around the way we needed to with our team and our clients, or create subtasks that automated processes. A lot of times 5 of us would be on one task. We'll have a designer, web developer, and a content writer.
And it would end up that somebody might be working on a task when somebody else had already completed most of it.
So we needed a way to be able to assign everyone to a task, but have an active task user, have a client there for review, and then have a in-house manager review.
So eventually we moved to Zoho, and it was a lifesaver. We can easily create new projects and automate all of our tasks within them. Any new team members that come on, we can add them to a task immediately as soon as it's created. We can put all of our documents in there and make sure that people can see who worked on what project when, if it's a V2, if it's finished, and then we can pass it to the next person, and it makes everything go much more smoothly, especially if we're adding in new team members. It's great for allowing clients to collaborate and giving them just enough view into what we're doing in our processes without kind of showing all of our internal processes. And the fun thing was we found out ways that we could customize it that worked really well for us, like having active users, having our own workflow and how we want to have these things. I would definitely recommend Zoho to other people. Having that kind of structure and backbone that Zoho provides will make sure that you can grow and scale much more easily without as many hectic late night calls saying, did we finish this task for the day?
I'd highly recommend Zoho Projects to other companies and other business owners. The cost and efficiency is super important. Making sure you get a return on your investment is super important early on. So we tell everyone that Zoho is your best bang for buck option.